Gas gangrene is caused by, the options are Clostridium perfringens, Clostridium tetani, Streptococcus and Staphylococcus. Now, as we know, the gas gangrene is a kind of gangrene that involves the formation of bubbles or the gas inside the wound, right? So, yes, gangrene is what? There is a necrosis that is associated with putrefaction, and the gas one is going to involve the bubbles in the gangrenous area. So, that is more involved with the crepitus. You can find the characteristic crepitus in the gas gangrenous area. Now, this particular gas gangrene is most characteristically caused by a species of Clostridium, that is Clostridium perfringens. Okay. Now, this Clostridium perfringens, actually it is gram positive. It is gram positive, rod shaped, anaerobic, spore forming pathogenic bacteria. It is pathogenic bacteria causing the gas gangrene, of course. Now, Clostridium perfringens, which is the most common bacteria for the gas gangrene, and the symptom includes the blisters, tachycardia, swelling and the jaundice. Blisters, swelling, jaundice and tachycardia. Now, what are the biochemical properties of this particular bacteria? It is basically catalase. If I just show the biochemical properties, so it is catalase, negative, indole, positive, and in the litmus milk it shows stormy fermentation. It gives characteristic appearance in the blood agar as well, right? So the gas gangrene basically a self-limited gastroenteritis to overwhelming destruction of tissues that can produce an array of toxins, and the toxins are going to be alpha toxins, right? And it leads to rapid gas production, and that leads to rapid metabolism, extensive necrosis, shock and death, and the treatment is going to be surgical debridement and high dose of penicillin, right? So high dose of penicillin given in these patients. It is the treatment of choice, right? So yes, the answer to this question is going to be none other than the Clostridium perfringens. If we quickly go through the key concept, C. perfringens type A, it is the predominant agent causing the gas gangrene, right? It may be the sole causative agent, but mostly it is associated with other Clostridia as well, right? All Clostridia wound infection do not result in gas gangrene. More commonly, they lead only to wound contamination or anaerobic cellulitis, right? So, when muscle tissues are invaded, then gas gangrene results. That is also known as the anaerobic myositis, and Clostridium perfringens is the most common organism of the pathogen for the gas gangrene as well. So, answer is of course option 1, Clostridium perfringens.